Micro Fluxgate coil, not the coin itself, but the sesame seed-sized coil in the middle of the coin. Let's take a look at its winding process under a microscope. Placing it on the fingertip and comparing it with the coin below, the size difference is obvious at a glance. This is a direct comparison between the early developed Fluxgate coils of Xiepu and today's products, clearly showing the huge leap in iteration and upgrading that in the fields of high-precision electronic compasses and geomagnetic navigation. It can be applied to drones, robots, and military portable equipment. In the field of weak magnetic detection, it can assist in cardiac magnetic and brain magnetic detection, and can also be used as an implantable sensor. At the same time, it can also serve aerospace and national defense. It can play a role in scenarios such as satellite, magnetometers, and submarine heading anti-submarine detection, and also has its uses in geological exploration. If you have relevant needs, please feel free to contact us. Xiepu is with you, working together for common benefits.